The reasons why insurance penetration is high in advanced countries. Why insurance penetration is high in advanced countries. The reason why insurance penetration is high in advanced countries are many. Some of them will be mentioned in this video today. This is why insurance penetration is high in advanced countries. Insurance penetration is more in advanced countries because they have laws that are adhered to by everyone. No person or group of persons are above the law in advanced countries. Anyone who breaks the law, no matter how small and for whatever reason, will bear the brunt. This is not so in most developing countries. In most developing countries, they do not keep to the law. The law is broken at will by people who have connection or people who have some money to bribe their way through. My previous video have shown the reasons why insurance is happily bought in developed countries. There is this familiar lifestyle in developing countries that undermines their development, like we see in the case of insurance. If a person with some money drives his car without the mandatory third-party motor insurance, it may be left to go unchallenged if he is a top personnel in government or in some private institutions. The government official who is supposed to arrest the person may be considering the favor he may get from the person. He may also consider the money the individual may give him to keep his mouth shut and look the other way. Since such law enforcement agents in developing countries are poorly paid, it is common for the enforcement agents to seek the favor of some persons on the road while doing their job. This affects the discharge of their duties. The government in the developing countries also play roles in reducing the penetration of insurance in their countries. How? By not paying the law enforcement agents living wages. When salaries are not sufficient to take care of living expenses, people resort to all forms of shady deals. They also do it by not monitoring the activities of the law enforcement agents. Then another major way that such governments show lackadaisical attitude is in the area of not having a good database. A good database will enable government to know the number of persons, the number of cars on the road, and the owners of the cars, together with the number of insured cars. Policemen do not have to stay on the road and stop cars just to check their insurance papers. The database is supposed to handle that. In developing countries, people try to circumvent legally mandatory insurance, how much more the optional insurance policies. This is one of the banes of developing countries. I have done a video on the topic why insurance is not bought in developing countries. Can we say that the number of businesses and business exposures make insurance to be embraced in developed countries too? Yes, that also adds up. They are involved in many businesses and take insurance to protect themselves and their businesses. The businesses done by the majority in developing countries are subsistence businesses that can barely pay for the living expenses of those involved, including the owner. This is another factor. On another hand, exposure of these small businesses in the developing countries to insurance will help them adjust and learn new ways to do their businesses. This is because the insurance companies will advise them based on what they present to them. It is, however, sad that such subsistence businesses do not go near insurance. The advanced countries take advantage of insurance to better their lives in terms of education, business, family, car, aircraft, oil and gas, and many more. The insurance managers are professionals in risk assessment and risk management. This expertise is what they pass to those who insure with them in terms of advice, premiums, deductible, claims, policy exclusions and inclusions, etc. Proper record keeping also adds up to the reasons for more insurance penetration in advanced countries. When a claim arises, the insured is supposed to make a claim. The insured is supposed to ask for something back based on the signed policy. If they do not make a claim, the insurance company will not know what to pay or what not to pay. Most insured persons in developed countries keep records of their policy documents and other such documents due to a type of organized lifestyle. It is not so in developing countries. In developing countries, the policy document may not be found by the insured, and that creates problems of what to claim and what not to claim when a loss occurs. In conclusion, the foregoing are the reasons why insurance penetration is high in advanced countries. My name is Olugbenga Adetutu and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. Please subscribe, watch more of my more than 500 videos, and click the like button and share this video with your friends and family. And we'll talk some other time. Bye for now.